Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, we'll teach you how to make still images move to make your pictures more attractive. Step 1. Open Mini Tool Movie Maker. Import the necessary media into the software. Select the media you need, click Add or drag it to the timeline. Adjust the duration of the media, then click Apply to All to apply the changes to all media. Play the video to check the effect. Step 2. Add transitions to the video. Then click on the Motion tab in the navigation bar. Find the motion effect you need and click the plus icon or drag it to the timeline. Adjust the duration of the motion effect to match the video length. Finally, after previewing and confirming everything looks good, click Export in the upper right corner. If you have any more questions, you can visit moviemaker.minitool.com to find answers. We look forward to your exploration and use. Thank you for watching.